Hi guys, it's Richard here from Squeeze Me Gently, and in this video I'm going to actually show you exactly how Squeeze Me Gently works and how you can use it to build a list building funnel and how you can monetize that funnel as well. We're going to move really quickly in this video, so I don't want to waste your time, so let's get on. The three things I'm going to show you in this video are firstly how you can generate the list building funnel in a couple of minutes. Secondly, I'm going to show you how you can edit the pages in that funnel with content. And then thirdly, the most important thing, I'm going to show you how you can monetize those pages to generate some cash. So let's get on with it and let's move forward quickly. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build a squeeze page, a thank you page, a product download page, and 3 blank pages that you can use for upsells, one-time offers, and affiliate offers. So I'm going to move quick. If you get stuck at any point, please pause the video and go back, but you're going to see quickly now how I can generate these pages. So I'm going to click on Add New Page, and I'm going to go through this. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my template, and I'm going to actually select the square template here. So I do that and I click on Next. And now what I need to do is I can select a color for the template. So I click in this box and basically I've got a color picker here. I'm actually going to put the hex code in because I know what it is. And it's a green color, and I've done that, and I'll click on Next. And now I'm going to add my page title, and for this I'm using weight loss, and I click Next. And now I need to add my header image. So I click on this checkbox, click on the radio button. I'm going to upload it from my computer, and I've got one ready right away. And it's this one here that I'm going to pick. So I just upload that. That's now in. I click on Next, and now I can enter my headline. Again, I'm going to do that with a graphic. So I click here, just on this radio button. I'm going to browse for that. And basically I'll go and find that image, and it's this one here, so we just add that. Now I'm going to click Next, and now what I need to do is I can select a product image or a video. I'm going to select a product image, so I'm going to click here, click on the radio button. Again, I'm going to get it from my computer, and I'll just click Browse, and it's this one here that I want. That's there. Click on Next. And now I can add my autoresponder code. I've got that already prepared, so I'm just going to copy that. I'll go back to the page, I'll paste that in, and that's my autoresponder code. I click Next, and now I can add a product description. I'm just going to put in some text here, just as an example. We'll edit it shortly. I'm going to click Next, and now I can add a signature image or a signature picture. So I'm going to do that from my computer again. I'll click Browse. And I'm just going to go and find the one that I want, and it's this one here. So I'll just upload that. I'll click on Next. I can use the powered by, the Squeeze Me Gently powered by link. I'm going to actually add that so you can see it. I'm just going to type in Google here as the link. Normally you would use your affiliate link to Squeeze Me Gently. And I'll click on Next. I need to add my footer image. Click the radio button. I browse for that on my computer again, and let's see the one that we want, and it's this one here, and that's going to add that. There we go. Click on Next, and now I just choose whether I want it as a page or a post, and I'm going to click Page, and I'll click Generate Page, and that's now going to go away, and it's going to generate our 6 pages. And there you go, there's our pages. So we've got our weight loss squeeze page, our thank you page, our product download page, and we've got our 3 blank pages. So you saw that took me about 2 minutes to do. It might take you a little bit longer when you first start off with the software, but you'll be able to do this as quick as that as well. So you can see how quickly that can be done. You can do as many of these as you like with the software. You're not limited. You can do as many as you like, so you can build these list building and product funnels. So look, let's move on to the next step, and what we're going to do now is we're going to edit the content of these pages. Okay, so we've built our 6 pages quickly. Let's take a look at our squeeze page. So I'm going to click on View Page, and I'll take you over to the squeeze page that the software's built. And there we go, here's the squeeze page. So as you can see, I've got my header graphic, I've got my headline, which is a little bit small, I've got my product image, I've got my opt-in code, opt-in form here where someone can opt in to join the list. I've got my product description here, I've got the signature image which I added, and the powered by link, and also the footer. And as you saw, I chose the square template and I chose the green color. So that's exactly what the software does. It builds that for you. Now the one thing that we haven't done, we haven't edited the product description. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so all I need to do is just click on the edit button here, and I'm going to go and edit that product description as we said, and that will just take me a few seconds. Okay, so all we need to do is just click through to the product description. So I'll just go through, get to that one quickly. Okay, so here we are at the product description. I put the X's in. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add in some proper text. So just give me a second, I'll do that now. Okay, so I've added in my text for the product description. I'm just going to make a couple of changes here. So I'll just select the text, and basically I'm going to make that Arial, and I'm going to change the font size to 18, and I'm just going to make sure that the alignment is center. Yep, let's go center actually, yeah. Okay, and font color I'm just going to leave as black, and basically I click on next, 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 and I save the page. So let's go and take a look at that now. Okay, so let's view the squeeze page now. Let's just take a quick look at the page. Okay, and there we are. And as you see, we've now got our product description. So this is just an example just to show you. So that's our squeeze page done and completed. So let's move on and let's edit the thank you page now. Okay, so let's edit the thank you page. So I click on edit here, and I'm going to do a few things here to make some changes to the thank you page. Okay, so I'm going to make some changes. I want to change this now, the page title. I want to change this to thanks, because that's the page that I've got in my autoresponder that it would link to. So I'll click on next. The header image is fine, that's no problem. The headline, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just add a different headline, and I'm just going to put thanks for subscribing. Okay, and we'll click next. I'm just going to go back. Sorry, I didn't change something there. I'm just going to change it to Arial, and I'm going to make it 42, and I'll leave it on black. I'll click on next. The image is fine, I'm going to leave that. And basically the product description, I now want to change this. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll change this, and you'll see that in a second. Okay, so I've added the text now. So let's have a look at the page and see what other edits we can do. So we'll click on next and we'll go and save. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so we're over at the thank you page, and basically what we've got is we've still got the original image, so I'm definitely going to change that. I want to change that for something else. And now you see that we've got our description, or our text here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and change that image, and then we'll take a look at this page and I'll explain exactly what I need to do. I do need to add another couple of links here, and I'll explain those shortly. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make a couple of changes. Here I want to add an order button. So I'm going to include an image, and basically what I need to do is I need to upload that from my server. So I'm just going to type that in now. So I've typed in the file location. I just click OK, and I can enter an alternate text. I'm going to do that now, just to show that I know what the button is. So I click on OK, and now that's in there. And you'll see that the button's just come in. Yeah, so we've got a nice order button, and basically I just need to put some more text here with a link. And basically this is if someone doesn't want to order, what we want to try and do is we want to try and get them through to the next page, and you'll see me go through that process at the end. But let me just put the no thanks link in, and that will link through to the next page. Okay, so I've highlighted this text and I want to hyperlink that, so I'll click on the hyperlink, and basically I need to put in the URL. So I'm just going to type that in now, and you'll basically see that I've got here /member as the page that I want this to go through to, and this will be one of our blank pages. So I'm going to click OK, and basically I'm just going to go through now, and I'm going to save that. And what we're going to do is we're going to move on, and I'm just going to show you how we can quickly change the product download page. Okay, so we're just going to make a quick change to the product download page. I'll just click on edit, just a couple of very, very small changes here. It won't take long at all. Okay, so we're going to edit the page title, and we're going to make that, we're going to call that down, because that's what I've got in my autoresponder. I'll click next. The header image is fine. and I'm just going to enter a headline here in text. So download your product. I'm just going to make that a bigger font size, and we'll change it to Arial. Okay, I'll click next, and basically the image is the same. And in the product description, all we want to do here is put a hyperlink to the product. So I'm just going to do that now. So if I basically hyperlink this text, if I just highlight it and create the link, and basically you'd put your link to where your report is here. I'm just going to use Google as an example, and basically that's done. So I click on OK and next, and I'm just going to go and save that now, and let's go and view that page. Okay, so let's take a look at the product download page and just check that that's what we want. We're just going to click on view page, and there we go, and we've got download your product, and we've got the text below there which just says download your report, and if you look in the bottom left corner you might be able to see that it links to google.com. If I click on this, it will just go through to Google, so normally it would go through to the page where you've got your report. So let's move on, and we're going to now set up the content for our first blank page. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're now going to edit this page here, so I'll click on edit. Okay, so we're on our first blank page, and as you see we're in the generic WordPress editor, so I can do anything in here. I can use the visual, or I can use the HTML editor, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the visual editor, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in an image, so I'm just going to do that right now. Okay, so we've got our content in our page now, so I'll just scroll down there and just show you that. We've just put that in, and basically that's the page finished for now. So let's just update that, and I'll actually show you that page. Okay, so there we go. We've got our blank page, and we've basically turned this into a one-time offer. So we've got weight, and then we've got the headline, and then we've got the text. And the only other thing that we need to do is we just need to add in here a buy button and another link which takes us through to a downsell. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to pause the video and add that in, and we'll come back and take a look. Okay, so I've added in the order now button, and I've basically put the link behind that, or just below that, just saying no thanks, I'll manage on my own, and that's going to link to the next page, where basically what we're going to do is we're going to make another and the final offer. So basically let's update that. We're going to just click update, and then we're going to go and take a look and view the page. Okay, so we've got the contents in there. Let's just view the page now and just make sure that that's okay. And let's take a look, and let's just make sure that that's gone in okay. And there you see we've got our order now button, and below that we've got our link which takes us to our final page. So we'll pause the video, and what we're going to do is we're going to go and set up that final page, and then we'll run through and we'll go through the whole flow, and you'll see exactly how that works. Okay guys, so we've basically done this page. Let's just have a look. So I've put my content in, and it's just a small piece of content, and then I've got my link here, and this link would actually go through to a relevant CPA offer. That's what we would do on this final page if the visitor is not interested in joining your your report, in purchasing your report, or in joining your secondary product. So let's just have a look at the page, just see what that looks like. Okay, and that's the page. So it's very simple. We're just wishing them good luck and a short message, and we're just telling them here that we're going to give them a free gift and that they can click through on this link. So basically that's all our pages set up. So now what I want to do is I want to go through the flow with you, and I want to show you exactly how this funnel works and how it's monetized, and how you can actually make money by using Squeeze Me Gently and basically setting up your own funnels. Okay, so we're on the Squeeze page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the funnel like a normal website visitor would do. So I'm going to put in my name and email address here, and then I'm going to subscribe to the list. So if I click on join now, and that will add me to the list, and it should take me through to the thank you page. So let's make sure that that works. So there we go, I'm on the thank you page, and it says thanks for subscribing. So it says before you go and grab your free report, check out 4 months to fitness and weight loss. So basically I've got my order button here, so someone can order this product, or they can just say no thanks, I can lose weight on my own, and they can click the link, and what happens then is that the link takes them to the next page. So let's click on that. That's the one I want to show you in the flow. So we're going to click through. Yeah, and basically it goes through to another offer. So it's got weight. You know health and fitness are key. Basically we pitch our membership site now. So we're giving a $1 trial of our membership site, and we've got the order button again, and we've also got another no thanks. So this time we've got no thanks, I'll manage on my own. So I'm just going to click on that and just show you the flow. And there we go. So that's the final page. So it just says, okay, good luck. Okay, well, I wish you the best of luck, and I do hope you enjoy the free report. You can download that by clicking the link in the email I just sent you. And as a way of saying for downloading the report, I actually have a surprise gift for you at the link below. And then what you want to do here is you want to make this link a CPA offer. So basically a related offer to weight loss, where you can send the visitor and basically they can sign up, just give an email address or a zip code submit, and basically you're making revenue. So basically you're giving yourself the opportunity to grab your website visitor at 3 different points in the funnel. And this is why Squeeze Me Gently is such a tool, because it allows you to build a funnel very, very quickly and very, very simply. And we look forward to having you on board. So get down, grab yourself a copy of Squeeze Me Gently, and any questions you have, there'll be a link in the email sent to you where you can contact us. We're always there to help. So we look forward to having you on board. Thanks very much for watching the video, and read down on the rest of the page. Cheers now.